You stand on Mercury, a place where the very fabric of time and space seems to unravel. The sun overhead is a brutal and all-consuming fire, and for 5 seconds, you will be witness to the incomprehensible power of this celestial world. You will feel the heat of the sun, not as warmth, but as a force, one that can scorch the soul as much as the body. This is not a place for the fragile. The atmosphere, a mere whisper, offers no protection. The vacuum of space presses in from all sides. Your suit, no matter how advanced, can only shield you so much. For 5 seconds, your humanity feels so small, so easily lost to the cosmic forces that shape worlds. In those 5 seconds, you become a spectator, not of the planet, but of the universe itself. You stand as a silent witness to the forces that shape the cosmos, forces that are far beyond your understanding. Mercury's surface, scarred by millennia of impacts, is a testament to time, to forces so immense that their consequences ripple across millions of years, carving the land into its current form. But you are also a reminder, for yourself and for the universe, of the transient nature of life. You are here, now, and yet in the blink of an eye, you could be lost. This moment, these 5 seconds, are both infinite and fleeting. Here, the universe seems to be saying, you are but a breath in time, a flicker in the dark. But in that flicker, there is meaning. You are standing on a world that exists in a perpetual state of violence, a world locked in an eternal struggle with the forces of the sun. Here, the surface is a tapestry of scars, deep craters, cracks, and fissures marking a history of cataclysmic collisions and planetary upheaval. The sun's energy is both life-giving and destructive. Its rays bombard this world with unrelenting heat and radiation. And yet, there is no atmosphere here to carry that light. No clouds to soften the edges. No protection from the infinite space that surrounds you. You realize that, in this moment, the fragility of life is on full display. You are standing on a planet that is incapable of life. It is a world where life never had a chance, where the extreme conditions made it impossible for any organism to evolve or survive. And you, a human, fragile, delicate, have made your way here, a testament to the sheer resilience of life on Earth. In these 5 seconds, you are aware, deeply aware, that you are a creature of Earth. You are made of the same elements that make up the ground beneath your feet, the water that flows across our planet, the air that you breathe, And yet here, on Mercury, there is no water, no air, no life to speak of. The connection to Earth feels almost like a memory, a distant, fragile thing. Like the echo of a song you can barely remember but know you once heard. Mercury is a cold mirror held up to our own fragile existence. It offers us no answers, only questions. What is our place in the cosmos? How do we come to be? How long will we endure? And, most importantly, why are we here at all? It's in this silence, this absolute isolation, that the vastness of the universe hits you. You are standing on Mercury, but you could just as easily be standing on the edge of existence itself. The void of space is so absolute that even the light from the sun seems distant, like an echo of something that once was. And in that isolation, you are reminded that life is fragile. The sun that provides the light for your journey also holds the power to destroy. It is both a creator and a destroyer. It nurtures life and burns worlds. And you, a fleeting presence in this endless expanse, can only wonder. How do we fit into this immense story? And yet, there is something that Mercury cannot take away, and that is the fact that you are alive. You are part of the grand experiment of life. The forces of nature, the forces of the universe, may be beyond our understanding, but we are here, alive, experiencing the world in ways that no other part of the universe can. And for this moment, that is enough. This moment is ours. You look up at the stars, scattered across the cosmos like fragments of a forgotten dream. And in that fleeting second, you realize that we are all connected to the stars, to Mercury, to the sun, to the infinite stretch of the cosmos. We are all part of this great cosmic journey. The question is not just about how we fit into the vastness, but how we carry that vastness within us, in every breath, in every heartbeat. 5 seconds on Mercury, and you are reminded of the preciousness of every moment, of every breath we take, every sunrise we witness, and every star that lights the night sky. For time is fleeting. We are but a brief flicker in the eternal night of the cosmos. And yet, that flicker is something extraordinary because we are alive to see it, to experience it. In the end, Mercury offers no answers, no comfort, no protection. It is a world that is as uncaring as it is beautiful, but it teaches us something far more profound, that life, in all its fragility, is the most precious thing we have. It is the one thing that, despite the vast and infinite forces of the universe, we can hold close. As you stand here, on the edge of this alien world, you are reminded of Earth, the small, blue orb that spins silently in the vastness of space. It is a rare jewel, a unique cradle for life, a fragile oasis in an indifferent universe. For all the wonders of the stars, the planets, and the galaxies, Earth is the only place we know where life exists in all its complexity, beauty, and fragility. And in the quiet vastness of space, we find our purpose, not to conquer the stars, but to understand our place within them, to cherish the brief time we have, and to explore, not out of arrogance, but out of wonder, to reach beyond ourselves, to seek knowledge, and to honor the fragility of existence. Because in the end, the stars may burn bright, and Mercury may stand in silence, but it is us, the fragile beings of Earth, who give meaning to it all.